Okay, you guys, so I have something really exciting today that I have been waiting for the longest time. This is something that my boyfriend and I have been putting together for the past few weeks now, and it's definitely something that I'm so excited about, something that I really put my heart into, and I really just wanted to share it with you guys. So today I wanted to present to you my new project called the Raw Bundle. So here it is. Okay, you guys, so that was my presentation for my new Raw Bundle, you guys. What do you all think? You guys, I'm just so excited about this. This is something that I've never, done before. This is my first time doing something like this, and I'm just so excited about it. And shout out to my boyfriend for helping me put it together. Shout out to Bae. And we did that. So I was really excited about this whole thing, you guys, and I'm just so thankful to you all for showing your love and supporting me, that I wanted to give back to you guys in this beautiful way, because I know you all have been asking me for merch, but I was like, shoot, I don't want to just release new prints. We're gonna give you a whole bundle, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I wanted to introduce to you guys today, and I actually have the beautiful package that you will be receiving once you order this product, with all of it in here. And oh my gosh, you guys, like, look at this packaging. Like, how could you resist it? Like, I love this so much. So I'm gonna be showing you all everything that's in the package and just how you'll be receiving it. So let's do that. So this is how it's gonna be. So first you're just gonna slip your hand in right here, and then boom, look at her. Like, oh my gosh, like, hello boo, like, how is you? Oh my goodness, so cute, right? So I love how we have this like little holographic type foiling or packaging around it. I just think it just makes it so beautiful. Like, look at that. Like, you ain't gonna get packaging like this anywhere else, honey. Oh my gosh. And then the first thing that you're gonna be getting in your package when you take this out is the bookmark. The bookmark is handmade, you guys. I decided that I wanted to give a little holographic feel to it. So we've got our bookmark here, and then we also have, I'm gonna take it out of the package so you can see it. Oh my gosh, I love this, you guys, and I need a new bookmark because sis, I gotta know which page I left off on. So let's go ahead and take that out. So this is what the bookmark looks like. And I even got like a little string for like a tassel. So like once you put it in your book, it'll just be right there so you can find your page. So cute, right? So there's that. And then the next thing in the package, we have the stickers. And you guys, like, I had to have my little holographic packaging for my stickers too. And then you get like a little heart sticker for opening it. Oh my gosh, I love that so much. I just had to do that, you guys. So once you open it up, it's gonna be like this. So first you're gonna be getting the strawberry milkshake girl, of course. And then we got a strawberry. And I made all of these by hand, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy and so proud of it, you guys. And then we've got our little strawberry milk. It says strawberry milk in Korean there. I think that's so cute. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love it. And then there's these little 2 stars that you'll be getting too. So yeah, there's that. Oh my gosh, I love this little sticker pack, you guys. I think it's the cutest thing. Okay, and the next thing that you'll be getting is the strawberry milkshake girl, printed on photo paper, pro platinum thing. So yeah, that's really dope. I really love this one. And then, of course, you can't have a bundle without a coloring page, of course. So you guys are going to be receiving all of this in this beautiful package, you guys. I'm really proud of it. And I'm just so thankful for the production, and I'm so thankful for Bae for helping me do all of this, and just for God for really helping me to put all this together, because if it wasn't for God, this wouldn't have happened. You know, God is my CEO. He gave me this idea and he's gonna keep giving me great ideas. So greatness is on its way, you guys, and I really hope that you all love this package, you guys. So go ahead and get your pre-orders, you guys. I'm accepting pre-orders right now. And guess what, you guys? The first 20 people who order this also get, drum roll please, beautiful picture of my soft girl that I recently did, along with a sticker of her. And y'all, I love the stickers so much, you guys. So I would definitely go ahead and get your pre-orders in before they're gone, you guys. And thank you all so much for supporting me. I really appreciate all of your love and support. So if you guys are going to order this, go ahead and click the link in my description below, you guys. I really hope that you all love this beautiful raw bundle I put together, and it is limited edition. So go ahead and get your pre-orders now before it is gone forever, because it's the only time I'll be doing this. So there's only a limited amount out. And yeah, you guys, get those pre-orders in, and the link will be in the description below. So thank you all so much for watching, and I can't wait to start shipping out these orders to you guys. So peace, love, and God bless. Bye.